I'm just gonna do the last part in the plugin, which is building a plugin to hook into your theme. Okay, so let's start reading. So I did other plugins before. I did a shortcode plugin, slightly more advanced shortcode plugin. I did a widget plugin. The widget one didn't show up and didn't work for me, but I'm gonna move on from that. I'm gonna try to eventually get that one to work, but I'm trying to just finish this today. Actually have a job interview soon. Let's see if this helps me get a job. But if it doesn't, this is just useful stuff. Okay, building a plugin to hook to your theme. Okay, now let's move on to, okay, let's read. Let's make it big. Okay, building a plugin to hook to your theme. Now let's move on to another kind of plugin. Instead of displaying this plugin's content via a shortcode or widget, we're going to attach it into the theme. Okay, again, we'll create a call to action box, but this time we'll insert it below the content of each post. Okay. Using a function and a conditional tag, it will only appear on single posts, not in pages or archive pages. Start by creating a new plugin. Okay, we could do that. So let's start by creating a new plugin again with a style sheet that you need to enqueue in the plugin files. You will need to amend the classes in the style sheet to reflect classes used in the plugin output code, which you'll see as we'll go. For this to work with your theme, you need to either be running the theme we developed in parts 1 and 2 of this course. Okay. The name of our hook. Okay. Okay, so let me set up my plugin. So let's start with, let's see how we're gonna do it. Can I just duplicate this? Duplicate. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna find my shortcode plugin. No, okay, actually, okay, I am going to make a new folder. No, I'm gonna go here, make a new folder. Andre's theme plugin. Okay. So we have a new file. Andre's theme plugin.php. Okay. So let's go copy. Okay. Let's copy this part and let's call it Andre's theme plugin. Okay, so let's save it. I have to have a style.css. Okay. So let's go here. Let's make a new file and let's just call it style.css. Let's go to this one. Style.css. Okay, so to enqueue the style, go here. Let's enqueue the styles, but let's call it something else. WP and WP theme. Let's call it WP theme enqueue styles. Okay, this should be correct. I don't know if the path is correct. Okay. So, okay. Mm, okay. Okay, so we did this. So we enqueued the styles. I don't know if I did it 100% correct. It's correct, but I don't know if the path is correct. I'm kind of trying to do this quick. Function WP CTA below post. Okay. Okay. This is good. Now inside that function, okay. Oh, so I think these are how people think of functions normally. I mean, plugins. So that's how I think of plugins normally. Something that adds on to the code, adds on to the theme code. Now inside that function, add is singular. Okay, is singular post. Okay. Now inside that tag, okay. So if is singular. Okay. So let's do. Okay, got it. Okay, save. Okay, save. Oh wow, that was easy. Okay, so let me go to let's go to our website. Go here. I thought this would be the hardest one. The widget one might be the hardest one, or has most information at least. So let's go to my plugin. It should be my own plugin with my own name. So I'm gonna go to inactive because this isn't active yet. Activate. Okay. Now let's see. I'm gonna do something actually. I'm gonna make it I'm gonna change the name. So I deleted their part, so I'm just gonna do my own thing. My own plugin will be, let's do h1, no, let's just do p. This is Andre's plugin. I think this is cool, and we'll put this in, we'll put this in every post. Okay, save this. Okay, so let's save this. So this should appear right below every post. Pages, 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 pages. Okay, so let's go to, let's just look at this. Let's look at, okay, so I have it here. So it's not this, so let's look at Hello World first. And it should be below Hello World. Oh, no, why? Let's see. Let's try to figure out why this didn't work. Okay, let's copy theirs. Let's copy theirs, and let's just do Andre's plugin. Okay, save, refresh. Ugh. Hmm. What time is it? Trying to get the concept. So the reason it might not work is I don't know if I have WP after content. Like I don't know. Like if I go here, add action. Uh, I'm gonna stop this one. Let's see. Let's read this. Let's finish this, and I'll stop. I have an interview soon. Okay. So now you have the call to action box output on pages and not post or archive. It's worth noting that the call to action box we've been working with could be added via the customizer. You could add a section to the customizer for the call to action box. Create control settings for the telephone and email address, then hook the output to the after content. You could even add a radio button asking users to select which type of content the box should appear under as extra challenge. Why not try doing this? You can use a combination of techniques you learned here, those those you learned from previous lessons. Okay, so my next video is probably going to be combining them. I'm gonna rest and then just have this in my head. I might watch some videos of plugins and then I come back and kind of just try to work with it by myself. Plugins come in many forms, as you've seen from working through a few examples. There are different types of plugins that display content on your site in varying ways. These are all simple plugins outputting simple code with practice. You start creating much more complex plugins to create and output content in ways that, but plugins aren't just about displaying content. You can create a plugin to help you with site admin or improving your site's performance, among many other uses. As we continue working through this course, you'll find yourself coding more plugins that do different jobs. In the next unit in this course, we'll move on to work with custom post types and taxonomy. You'll learn how to register them and display. Okay. I'll be done with that. So I'll probably, today is Thursday, so I'll keep trying to learn plugins better, and then eventually I'll move on. I know this video was shorter, but good luck anyone. If you like the videos, let me know why you like them. If you didn't like them, if you found them motivating,